April 7th, it's my mom's birthday. I'm out here at Yatesville. It's Good Friday. A little windy, a little chilly. Water temperature is 58 degrees. I'm out here for redemption. Come out here last Sunday, got our teeth kicked in, son. I mean, we got smoked. One of only 5 boats to blank. Very humbling. Problem was, started off fishing slow, and that hurt us. We locked slow baits in our hands early in the morning, knowing that I was catching them on spinner baits and crankbaits. That's the way it goes. Took, like I said, almost 19 pounds to win it. I'm gonna go again on a redemption tour here. I'm throwing nothing but moving baits today. Hopefully, might pick up the Blue Rock custom jig or custom tackle triple threat, or potentially even the 1099 jig. Maybe pick up a do it mold jig that I'm pouring. I don't want to. Water clarity, you guys are probably not gonna be able to see that, but it's really dingy. I'm hoping the farther I go up the lake, it gets a little better, but I'm not too, I'm not thinking about that too crazily, because I feel like we've had a lot of rain. They brought the water up. This is the quickest I've ever seen Yatesville fill up. It's at summer pool right now, and it only took about a week to fill up, and that's a lot of water rushing into this thing in a short amount of time. Which, we've had a lot of rain. The water color is not terrible. Like, I'm not super mad at it. Again, water temperature right now preliminarily is 58.9, which, man, these fish should be pulling up shallow, trying to load up their bellies and make have a little spawn action. We do have some cloud cover today, which is going to be pretty big. Wind's kind of blowing, which sucks, but I'm gonna go out here, pick up a spinnerbait, pick up several crankbaits. I'm gonna show you guys along the way what I'm using, and you guys are gonna see if I catch them or not. Again, April 7th, 2023. It's my mother's birthday, so hope she has a great day. And we will be going out here, and hopefully we have a good day. But you guys are gonna see the action one way or the other. So let's go out, let's catch them, and let's go back. There's a fairly decent sized open tournament out here. I am going to go try to get on the water, get on some spots before these guys come out here and beat me up, because I'm sure they're going to catch more than I am, just the way it goes. So I'm going to go to a couple spots, try to beat some people there. I don't think this tournament starts until 8 o'clock, so it's 7 o'clock on the dot. 7 o'clock on the dot. A little usher there for you. But anyway, good day. Idling out of the no wake zone. Go around here, throw some crankbaits, spinner baits. Hopefully I don't have to pick up a slow bait, but I'm gonna fish till about noon or so, until I get tired of getting beat up out here. Hopefully I catch an absolute swamp donkey, something the picture alone weighs 3 pounds. But with that being said, let's get after it. Little guy, an old shad rap. Boys, I'm talking about right there on that bed. Look at that 10.99 jig from Blue Rock Tackle. I tell you what, boys, that is a fish catching machine. Yeah, boy, net bait trailer. That's what I'm talking about. That's why we come out here. Let's weigh this baby up and see what she weighs. 412. I mean, I'll take it. How about that? Little guy, an old shad rap. Mid-morning update. It is 10:13 in the morning. Put 3 in the boat today so far. 1 on a shad rap and 2 on a 10.99 jig from, just so happens I got Jesse's beanie on here, Blue Rock Custom Tackle. 10.99. I don't even know what color it is. It's browns on that, I tell you, with a net bait Pocket Slim 3.5 and green pumpkin as a trailer cut down. Water clarity up here. I'm up in Greenbrier. Sucks up in here. I'm gonna go back, try to find some cleaner water. I feel like the fish are spawning right now, or starting to spawn. The fish that I found have been right on the bank, and talked to another fella and he said the same thing, that he's caught 2 keepers and they've been on the bank. So we're gonna go around here, see what happens. Not so bad today, so you know, I'll take it. It's Good Friday. It's been a decent day. We'll go around here and try to find some clearer water and see if we can't catch some more. I'm only gonna fish till about noon, so I got about 2 hours. I'm gonna run up into Blaine, see what's up in there. If it's still crazy dirty up in there, then I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna go fish for the next couple hours and see what happens. And if I catch any more fish, you guys are gonna see it. If not, this may be the end of it, but we'll catch you in just a second and let you know.